This video covers Chapter 6, 6-60. Skills review. We're going to use the move command, the pattern, and design a repeating pattern. So create a new document, a 6x6 document in Illustrator by going to File, New, and name it Polka Dot Pattern. Create a 2-inch square. Then fill it with a green fill. Of course, I'm going to take away that stroke. And remove any stroke if necessary. Create a 1/4-inch circle. And then fill that with white. Align the circle and the square by their center points. You can do that by going to the Align panel. And then you can also do that got it centered here, and then we're going to align them as well here in the Align area. Align center vertical. Okay, deselect all, and then select the white circle. Click Object on the menu bar, point to Transform, and then click Move. Type -5 in the horizontal text box, -0.5. And -0.5 in the vertical. And then click Copy. Keeping the new circle selected, which it is, click Object on the menu bar, point to Transform, then click Move again. Type 1 in the horizontal text box, and 0 in the vertical text box, and then click Copy. Okay, select the 2 new circles, click Object, point to Transform, click Move, type 0 in the horizontal text box, and type 1 in the vertical text box, and then click Copy. Okay, you have moved a copy of them 1 inch below. Fill the center circle with any blue swatch that you'd like. Do something a little darker. And then go ahead and save your work. Save it somewhere you remember. Now we're going to create a pattern. Select all the artwork, Control A, then drag it into the swatches panel. Okay, we're on swatches. And now you can see it created a little swatch here, new pattern swatch 1. Double click the new swatch in the swatches panel. Oops. You want to deselect first. Double click the new swatch. Type green polka dot in the name text box. Then press Escape to edit pattern editing mode. See, and now if you hover over it, it says green polka dot. You know that you've changed the name. Delete the artwork on the artboard. So do a Control-A to select all and then delete it. Create a 4-inch square. You can always just do this by going to None first on your swatches, on your fill, and then going to the width, typing in 4 tab, and then doing another 4. Okay, and now what you want to do is you're going to want to fill it with the green polka dot pattern, which we've done. And now double click the scale tool and then scale only the pattern 25%. So we want to unclick Transform Objects. We just want to scale Transform Patterns 25%. Okay, so now we can see it sort of changed the pattern. And then go ahead and save your work. And now we're going to hide the 4-inch square. Object, Hide, Selection. Now drag the green polka dot pattern swatch from the swatches panel onto the artboard. Deselect the pattern swatch. Draw a diagonal 1-point black line from the bottom left corner to the top right corner. So you want to make sure this is a 1-point stroke. Change the stroke color of the line to a shade of green. Okay. Deselect. Select the line with the selection tool. Then rotate a copy of the line 90 degrees, making sure the object's checkbox in the rotate dialog box is checked. You want to make sure you've got that. And then Object, Transform, Rotate. You're going to do, unclick this, make sure Transform Objects is selected, and then you're going to want to rotate that 90 degrees. Okay, and there it is. Click the Direct Selection tool. Select the 5 circles. Remember, hold down Shift. And then cut them. Edit, cut. Click the Selection tool. Select the 2 green lines. And then paste in front. There we go. Select the green square, click Object on the menu bar, point to Path, click Offset Path, type -0.5 in the offset text box and then click OK. Cut the new green square, then paste it in back of the blue circle. Edit, cut, select this, edit, paste in back. So now we have sort of this green box. We've created this pattern, this new looking pattern. Select all the artwork. Press and hold Alt or Option on the Mac. And then drag the artwork on top of the green polka dot swatch to replace the old pattern with the new one. There we go. Delete the artwork from the artboard. Show all, Object, Show all, and now we have the new pattern. Then save your work. Control S, and it should somewhat resemble, depending on the colors that you chose, figure 79. So this completes the video.